2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.